Okay, tayo ako na sa ating third quarter or second half. Official score 27. Ay, pasensya niya, pumipiyak-piyak pa ako. 22. Ayan. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat. Back to the ball game. Bola ng Lourdes. Number 11. Pull up J. Basket. For number 11. Ojeda. Setting on the play. Pass to Cruz from the corner. Low. Uy. Offensive foul. Ay na ang Lourdes. Number 11, jump shot, in and out. Blocked by Martinez. Miggy, outlet pass. Ojeda all the way. Basket is good for Ojeda. Jump shot short. Ojeda setting on the play. Uy, kitang-kita ng Lourdes yan. Ayan na. Number 7 behind the back. Naka-recover. Kick out to number 11 for 3. No. Rebound by number 7. Pinasa ulit sa number 11. Correction. Number 8 to number 7. Fake. Step back 3. Short. Rebound by Miggy. Martinez. Outlet pass. Here comes Thiago Cruz. Too strong. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 11. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Binigay sa loob. Wala. Rebound again by Miggy. Miggy naman ang susubok. Ayan na si Miggy na tapikan. Steal ng Lourdes. Ayan na. Side step. Using the glass. No good. Rebound pa rin niya. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Using the glass. Wala pa rin. To number 88. Jam! Basket! Ayan na! Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Let's go, Anemo Lasal. Number 20, pass to Cruz. Cruz, steal na naman ni number 7. Pass to number 11. Number 3, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, binababa ang bola. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Cruz. Sabi ni Cruz, wait lang daw. Cruz. Pass na Miggy. To number 20. To Cruz. Oy, basang-basa pero Cruz. Tumira, wala. Another Cruz with the putback. 31-26. Balik sa limang-lamang ng Lasal. Floater. Too strong. Rebound. Makukuha ni Ojeda. Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. To Cruz. Jump shot. Bang! 33-26. Tumalak ulit ang ating kalamangan. Ayan na. Si number 11. Pass to number 8. Stop and pump. Miss. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Pinas sa corner. Number 20. Pass to Cruz. To Ojeda. 3 seconds to shoot. Sorry. Jump shot. No. Rebound ng Lourdes. Outlet pass. Number 3. Block. By Cruz. Time remaining. Last 4 minutes. 4 na minuto na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban ng third quarter. Uy, tumira sa 3, wala. Rebound by Miggy. Miggy to Cruz. Cruz, high pick up. Cruz all the way. Ang ating kalamangan. Time out ang Lourdes Mandaluyong. With official score 35-26 in favor of our Lourdes, our LaSalle Green Hills rather. Ay, pasensya nyo pa ang boses ko Back to the ball game. Three minutes and 37 seconds left para sa ating third quarter. Bola ng Lourdes. Ayan na. Si Loki pinasok pa rin para sa LaSalle. Nasa corner, bad pass. Loki. Cruz. Cross-court pass, Cruz. Alvear for 3, no. Miggy to Alvear. Pass to Enocando. Miss. Miggy Martinez for the putback. 37-26. 11-point lead para sa ating LaSalle. Ayan na, steal. Pass to Loki. Pass to Alvear. Alvear. Pass to Enocando. Backdoor pass. Cruz from the corner. Bam! Basket for Thiago Cruz. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Nagmamadali. Pass to Liao. Fake. Liao running shot. Basket is good. Another outlet pass. Cruz. They miss. Rebound. Ayan na ang Lourdes. 3 against 3. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Pass to the elbow. Binalik. Pass to number 7. Steal by Alvear. Alvear nagmamadali. Out of bounds. Cruz looking for his teammate. Kanina bibigay kay Miggy. Miggy libre. What an easy basket for Miggy Martinez. Time remaining. 56 seconds. Steal by Cruz. Ojeda to Enocando. Gets the foul. Two shots for Enocando. Second shot. 42-28. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Number 7. Liao. Ooh. Last 24 seconds. Yaw, wala. Basket for Yaw. Ochoa fake. Ochoa running shot and score by Liam Ochoa. Liao, wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score at 44-29 in favor of our LaSalle Green Hills. Alright, tied ako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Lourdes Mandaluyong. Back to the ball game. We're going to the fourth and last quarter. Let's go. Animo LaSalle. Enocando. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Wala, rebound. Enocando, binomba, block. Liao. Ayan na. Number 11. Umatake. Naipit. Kick out. Munti ka na magawan. Liao. Hand off. Number 8. Running shot. Short. Out of bounds. Asprek nandito na rin sa loob. Pinasok na rin po ang ating coach. Cruz, didiskarte. Cruz, running shot. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Derecho. Miss. Rebound by Enocando. Pass to Cruz. Bounce pass. Javier to Enocando. Back to Cruz. Cruz. Running shot. No. Rebound. Makakuha ng Lourdes. Steal. Ochoa. Floater. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Number 33. Oh, steal by Asprek. Asprek nagmamadali. Ayan na si Asprek. Derecho. Uy, no good. Rebound by Liao. Number 11. Kick out. Liao. Jump shot. No. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando nagmamadali. Ayan na si Enocando. Using their body. Basket. Yan. For Enocando. 46-29. Biggest lead of the game. Best of 3. Wala. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando na naman. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Uy. Wala. Oh! Out of bounds. Bola po rito ng Lasal. Cruz. Ochoa, tumira sa 3. No good. White ball. Got the 3. No. Liao, spin. Another foul for Lasal. Remaining time 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Pwede po yan sa ating official. Missed the shot. In and out. Rebound by number 9. Basket. Ochoa. Pass to Cruz. Loki. Bounce pass. Alviar to Cruz. Fake. Crossover. Cross-court pass. Ochoa. Behind the back. Pass to Enocando. Enocando. Miss it. Rebound. Ayan ang Lourdes. Liao. Fake. To number 13. To Liao. Number 11. 4-3. Operation that's number 9. Unting-unting umahabol ang Lourdes. Time remaining 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Bola ng Lasal. Cruz. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Running shot. Wala. Out of bound, last touch. Same ball. Sino tatanggap? Outlet pass, steal. Ayan na, number 7. All the way and score. Pass to Cruz. Cruz to Enocando. Pass to Ochoa. To Cruz. To Ochoa. 4-3. Bam! Rebound for Liam Ochoa. Timeout. Lourdes Mandaluyong. Time remaining 3 minutes and 21 seconds left ng ating laban. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Lourdes Mandaluyong. Gets a 3. No. Rebound ng Lourdes using the glass and score. 38-49. Bumaba sa 11 lamang ng Lasal. Ochoa to Acuzar. Pass to Ochoa. Ochoa steal. Ayan na, number 13. Blocked by Acuzar. Fade away shot. Miss. Rebound. Liao. Wala pa rin. Liao again. Wala pa rin. Ayan na, blocked by Enocando. Rebound. Kick out number 13. Wala pa rin. Makuha ni number 20. Number 20 outlet pass. Acuzar all the way. Basket is good. Ayun na, nagmamadali ang Lourdes. Number 3. Pass to number 13. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound again by number 13. Still by number 20. And another foul for Lourdes. Lasal Green Hills Basketball. Tulfo looking for his teammate. Acuzar out of bounds. Same ball. Acuzar. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Acuzar, akin na to, sabi ni Acuzar. 53-37. In favor pa rin sa Lasal. Green Hills, number 13 to number 11. Number 11, kick out. 4-3, short. Rebound by Asprek. Asprek, nagmamadali. Ayan na si Asprek, dere-derecho. Side step. Wala. Rebound. Makuha na yung Tocando. Kick out to Tulfo. Tulfo. Wala. Rebound. Ay, Liao. Liao. Binigay. Number 11. Binale. Wala. Tinasan lang. Uy. May foul. the line, jersey number 33, that's Liao. Last 42 seconds. Second shot for Liao. Wala. Rebound by Enocando. Enocando nagmamadali. Ayan na. Wala. Para save. Enocando. Pass to Acuzar. Acuzar. For pass. Tulfo. Nice shot para jersey number 20. That's Tulfo. Last 25 seconds. Ayan na. Ang Lourdes. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Acuzar. Hoy, steal. Nakalusot. Ay. 39-55. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game para sa Lourdes Mandaluyong, and congratulations to our Lasal Green Hills. Ayan, congratulations. Our final score 39-55. Panalo po ang ating Lasal Green Hills. Alright, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta at to all the parents as well. Especially to our Lasal Green Hills. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. Ayan, sa pag-call sa akin. Maraming pong salamat. It's an honor. I hope you enjoy our game for today. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Congrats, Lasal Green Hills. And kung gusto niyo po mapanood ng replay, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And syempre ito rin ang ating Facebook Live. Maraming pong salamat. God bless everyone.